Hello ladies and welcome to today's Behind the Seams. Well, today we have a beautiful unboxing from Zaket and Plover.
Welcome Lovelies. Huge box, so there's quite a bit in here. And it's Zaket and Plover from Australia.
Yeah, beautiful.
Beautiful knit line. Okay.
All right.
Wow, you look lovely.
Oh,
Tessa, that color on you.
I know.
No, really.
It's pretty, eh?
It's so pretty.
So I paired it up with the jacket, ladies. How great does that work with the tie-dye?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
It's gorgeous.
I know.
This dress, oh my, eh? The fabric, no, Lovelies.
Ladies, it is like, it feels amazing.
Yeah.
It's silk, like a knit silk, like a bamboo silk, no? It's
No.
got a little stretch in it.
It does have a little stretch. It's just the way
wonderful.
it falls and drapes.
And it's, yeah, so it's nice here.
Yeah.
It's got the little cap
Cap
sleeves.
But this jacket, eh? Well, we both into Grizas jackets. We both own quite a few.
Yes,
Really, Tessa.
I know.
But what is
Jacket.
not to like?
Well, and I want to make a note, ladies, this is an extra small. And sometimes, I mean, the dress is an extra small, which is fitting perfectly. But these jackets are a little snuggy.
Yeah.
Lousje would be fine in the extra small, but I would go up to a small.
Yeah.
Just to be able to close it.
Right.
But your jacket, this is a new jacket from Grizas for
new
us.
style.
Yes, new style.
Little slit pockets, really beautiful.
Little more boxy fit, but I love it.
A little boxy fit, quarter sleeves.
I love the sleeves.
I love the sleeves too. And one button.
Yeah.
And straight in the back and no slit.
Yeah, it's
And
beautiful.
it's just lovely.
Yeah.
And then,
The dress, I know.
beautiful shift dress.
Beautiful.
Gorgeous.
Yeah, I mean, the details on this with the linen, it's absolutely fabulous.
Yeah.
Ryan's mom's 80th birthday is coming up, and she asked for me to send her this outfit
Really?
to wear to the
Oh, that
occasion.
would be lovely. That
Which
would be lovely on Lorraine.
With the scarf, with the
oh,
orange
yes.
in it. I know.
Oh, Lorraine.
So she will be
You
the
will
star
look
of the show.
smashing.
I know, of her show.
So she should be.
Yes.
Right, 80
It's a
years
big-
old.
I
Wow.
know, what a milestone. It's wonderful.
Yeah.
And we're going to celebrate it with a big party. So
Yeah.
it'll be a beautiful outfit.
Yeah.
Love it. And
Okay.
then, okay, jewelry. We both have on a majestic.
Of course.
Nice majestic drop.
Shorter and longer, as you lovelies know.
Yeah.
Earrings, Siska, of course. And you?
Siska.
Siska.
Always Siska. We love it. The simplicity
I know.
of that jewelry line is just so wonderful.
Yeah.
And
It's-
look at it's just beautiful. I love the gold on the oatmeal.
Yeah.
Loving
Me
that.
too, me
and
too.
this taupey rope, like it's
I know.
it just ties
it's
it all
so
in.
classic, eh?
It's
Chic.
beautiful. Very
Yeah,
chic.
Very chic.
Okay, ladies.
Wow.
Wow. Shall we get to it?
You're probably thinking, get it on, girls.
Get it on.
So we are.
Okay. So there's some new surprises in here, which will be, I like to,
I know.
yeah. So we will start with the classic. So Zaket and Plover is such a beautiful sweater line designed in Australia, but the beauty of it is their fabrics.
Yeah.
This is like their classic sweater, and then they do it in all different designs, but we picked the sort of polka dots.
You know why? I can't wait for Zaket and Plover to come in and then look at all the details because they're so quirky.
I know.
And I love that.
Yeah.
Like, look at this little, hello.
Yeah, I know.
Look at this little
I
thing.
know.
All of a sudden you think, oh, it's a sweater. And then you see that, and it's not on this sleeve.
No,
only
only on that sleeve.
And that's the quirkiness.
Yeah, and we'll style these up for you ladies tomorrow. We'll
I
show
can't
you
wait.
them. And then, you know, you bring in your accessory, right?
I know.
You pop it with that color in your earrings.
Your
or-
scarf with fuchsia.
Yeah,
your
but such a
lipstick.
classic color too. And then flat in the back, which
Yeah.
is great. You
Yeah.
don't really want pattern on the back.
Oh,
So beautiful. So we did the two colors. I feel like these are the only two colors you'd need. Look at that.
oh
Doesn't that
isn't
scream
a
like
power?
cottage summer?
What is the contrasting one on the sleeve? Oh, it's another green.
Yeah,
Look how fun.
fun.
Fantastic.
Nice little boat neck, not too wide. Beautiful fabric though. This is the 5% cashmere and 95% cotton.
Yeah.
Breathable, wonderful.
So what is nice, it's so light, right? For a summer sweater.
Yeah. You can really have it all year, this sweater,
Totally.
right?
You could wear
Wear
this
a
with
little
the white
turtleneck.
shirt underneath.
Oh
a
my God, a
turtleneck.
white shirt would be fabulous. Okay, so something new for Zaket and Plover. Look at, speaking of a white shirt, how fabulous would that
A
look
Krampus sweater.
with a, yeah.
Or
With,
vest.
well, it's so fabulous.
Yeah.
Look at the sides, ladies, the
Oh
detail.
my God, I love it.
Feel the fabric, Mom.
Yeah.
Isn't that wonderful?
Oh, it's lovely.
It's so soft.
So it's an oatmeal with navy little knobbies.
Yeah. So you'll have to
Gorgeous.
style that, Mom.
I can't wait.
I know.
Look at this with
Gorgeous.
jeans, Tessa.
I know, and look at that thick band.
Yeah.
It's fabulous.
Oh, big
So we're
armholes.
showing you pictures here of their models wearing the sweaters, but we'll be styling them up for you tomorrow so you can see how Lousje Bean does it. So I'm like, what should I pick next?
Okay, tap tap.
Tap, tap, sorry. Classic cardi. Well, you know we love our cardigans.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
But look at this with the holes. The knit, 100% cotton, ladies.
It's gorgeous.
Like wonderful. And look at
Reminds me
the
of
colors.
Easter. I don't know why.
Well, there you go. There's your Easter top. Your birthday is Easter this year, Mom.
Easter Sunday.
What are we going to do?
I'm going to have a Dutch birthday.
Woo!
Which means I have an open house, so anybody can walk in and out and just come and have coffee or a drink
And
or
a gebakje?
definitely a gebakje, which means a pastry. And I'm doing it from 1 to 4 because it's Easter and people need to maybe go to their family Easter dinner. And in the morning, maybe prepare their own Easter dinner. Anyway, usually a Dutch birthday is the whole day and you're absolutely exhausted.
Because you're entertaining everybody on your birthday.
Yeah, it's not self-served in the Netherlands. Everybody gets presented. So
Yeah.
there's first a round of coffee with pastries, then there's drinks, then there's a little soup and sandwich. And at the end of the night, you feel 10 years older. But it's so much fun.
So but the other thing too, ladies, that I remember when I was young, I wish I could find a picture. Maybe you have a picture when I say this, but you walk in the house and then the chairs are all lined up in a circle
Yeah.
and everybody sits in this circle.
In the living room.
Yeah, and
Usually
I remember
the men and the women.
and the women. Well, that was probably when you
In
like when
my
you.
aunts and uncles when
Yeah.
I was Ruby's age, yeah.
But here,
But so much
for
fun.
us, yeah, I know. And then, yeah, so awesome. I'm excited. Well, I'll help you. I'll help you with the.
You know, I have
treats.
to tell you, you're tweaking my memory. When I was little, it was the best day of the year, my mom's birthday, even better than my own birthday, because my uncles would come and one would bring an accordion.
Oh,
Yeah, and one had an amazing voice, and they would just play these Dutch old songs, and
songs,
everybody
and
was singing. And sometimes you made a
train.
a train, and then to the back, our little backyard.
Oh
and
my
back to
God,
the kitchen.
that's
It
so
was
cute.
a huge party.
Oma must have loved that. She was a dancer, ladies.
She always started
singing.
it, the train.
Yeah. Oh my God. I just remember singing and dancing in the kitchen with her all the
Always.
time.
She was so happy.
She was such a sweet woman.
Okay, we're getting
All right,
carried
we're getting
away.
sidetracked. So here is the black version, which we had to do, of course.
Tessa.
And there's the red, the Papa red and pink.
This fine knit is nice too. Have it the holes,
Oh.
the open weave knit.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
And,
And
then,
this-
you can have it open, ladies, like this, like just over a dress.
Exactly. And so this is a small, as you can see, it's generous, and that's what it should be like, right? It
Yeah.
shouldn't be tight.
No. Yeah, small to extra large, ladies, in Zaket and Plover. All the sizes are on the website, on the product page. But if you have any questions, please let us know. But for context, me and Lousje are in the smalls for pretty much everything.
Yeah.
And they fit really nice. Here is another cardie. I could not say no to this one. Same idea with the holes, but different.
I love it, with the zipper.
It has a two-way zip, ladies. So you can play with that. But how great is that? The classic stripe with the oatmeal and black. Wonderful.
Oh my.
Such a
Look
beauty.
at, oh, it's gorgeous. I love this.
Yeah, I
this
know,
here,
the
this little
I
salmon.
know. You just
Love,
see-
love.
Yeah, beautiful. And then a white trim.
Yeah.
I can't wait to style that up.
Honest to goodness.
Okay, and then here is new and different knit for them, which are fabulous. So this is like a little boxier sweater. Like imagine that.
Lordy bee.
Right?
I love that.
Beautiful.
That is so cool.
So it's got like a little, you can just wear a tiny little cami
cami.
under, or you can layer it over a dress. But look
or
at
a
the
white shirt.
Yeah, or a white shirt.
Oh.
Look at the fade out, ladies, that they have here.
So
It's such a
60.
cool.
Oh, I love it.
And the
Tessa.
bottom, the little
and
flip.
the color, yeah.
I know.
So these are this. I just checked this one. It's 100% cotton, and of course it's washable.
Yeah.
They advise cold hand wash, wash separately, and rinse well. Do not hand wring. And ease, so you don't go like this, but you can squeeze it. You go like this, right? And then you lay it out to dry.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
And this one's also 100% cotton.
So same feature.
And that's it. Like the
yeah.
quality of these are so beautiful.
Oh my goodness.
So here is like a white light gray.
Oh.
With the gray sleeves. Like how cool is that?
Oh, I think that's got Mama's name on
I
it.
know. You would look fabulous in that.
Oh, can you imagine?
I can't wait to style those up.
Jeans.
Actually, that would even look amazing over this. Like,
yes.
Right? And you just want a little sweater, like this is a short sleeve, and you just, at night, you want a little sweater. That's it. Like, sweaters are such a big thing this year. Well, last year,
They are, yeah.
Huge.
Yeah, they are, yeah.
And for us, it's all about the layering.
Yeah.
So you have this light knit, 100% cotton, breathable sweater, and throw it over these dresses. So they went into, this is super cool. I loved this when I saw it.
What is
And you'll
this?
see, look at, this is a cardigan. Imagine with a pair of jeans.
Oh, for Pete's
How
sake.
cool is that?
Look at the pockets.
I know. And then the fade out, like wear a pair of
the
denim
drop
jeans.
shoulder. Yeah.
Drop shoulder. So ladies, there's two sizes. This is the extra small, so you can see it's very generous. And then there's a medium large. So it's pretty much, this is like extra small,
Yeah,
medium,
for sure,
and then large, extra large, extra
Oh,
large.
I can't wait to see that on.
I know.
That is so cool.
And then they had a few colors, but of course we always pick the top two best colors.
Oh,
but this was the other top
With
color.
The chartreuse.
Yes,
Oh,
white, nice and
love.
fresh for the summer.
Yeah,
And then for you lovelies that love your chartreuse, we're always thinking about you.
Oh my goodness.
And it's
Tessa.
such a beautiful color.
Love it.
Cool, eh?
Yeah.
Imagine with the white, you should try that. You should pair that up tomorrow.
I will.
The white denim jeans.
Oh my goodness, with those cute little legs at the bottom.
Oh, the crop.
The crop.
Okay, last but not least ever, because it's our favorite thing in the whole wide world, polka dots.
Oh my God.
This will not last long, ladies.
No.
It's either going to be in me and Lousje's wardrobe or one of yours.
Oh.
Look at this.
Oh yeah. Oh, and the fabric, very light organza, right?
Like a voile.
Voile.
It's a cotton voile.
Yeah. Oh,
Like
beautiful.
100% cotton.
Yeah.
Little back
little
detail.
pleat in the back.
Yeah.
Great.
Great little shirt. We cannot wait to dress that up for you tomorrow.
With jeans
But
or
that's
with
a
white
no-brainer.
jeans. No-brainer.
No-brainer.
Yeah.
So sizes small to extra large.
Right.
And yeah, it's got a little high-low here.
Yeah.
It's beautiful. Zaket and Plover does not disappoint.
Never.
Look at even their label. Don't you
know,
love the
eh?
pink?
Yeah, and the
Love
inside
it.
is
It's so
too.
beautiful.
Yeah, it's gorgeous. Okay, well, I am pumped to style this.
I know. I can't
So,
wait.
lovelies, you are probably pumped to see it styled, which will happen tomorrow.
Yes, watch out. Please hit a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, so it can reach content to more beautiful women like you.
And as always, keep on smiling.